Hello, what I have here today is a Kenmore automatic box fan from the 1950s or early 1960s. This one has a GE export motor. However, this is not a reversible one, and it is, to my eyes, it looks like it's a fully copper wound one, from what I could tell. I wanted one of these Kenmore automatics for a while. This one popped up for a reasonable, well, still high, but reasonable-ish price on eBay, and I picked it up. These are made by Vernco. They make a they made some really nice box fans. Vernco. They had these. They also had a Home Arch branded one. They had these reversible as well. Many of the ones in the 20-inch size, a lot of them you'll see in brown, like a dark brown color. This one, however, is teal or turquoise, kind of like a Bel Air, like a Chevy Bel Air from that time. Very 1950s aesthetic. And of course, these were sold as like house exhaust fans, portable exhaust fans. So that's why the naming and the lettering and stuff is backwards on this. This plate is riveted to the cabinet through the handle here, and this is a synthetic rubber handle with a steel strip inside for rigidity. It's a really nice feeling handle. It's in really great shape. The cabinet is a little rusty on the bottom, mostly in the very corners of it. The middle of it's pretty good. In fact, it still has most of its underwriter's sticker and stuff under there. Most of it's still intact. This has badges on both sides, as you'll see here in a minute. The guards are the same kind of gray color that this is. Kind of an almond gray color. Like almond milk or something. This fan would have been mounted to a stand originally, however the stand is long gone. But I wanted these for a while, mainly for the look, and also these tend to be pretty quiet on low. And they move a decent amount of air. These big blades. I thought these were pictures online. I thought these were maybe steel blades. Given the overall sturdy construction of this thing, I thought it would have steel blades. But this does have aluminum blades. It doesn't really affect anything. It just makes them a little less corrosion resistant. But they must have had a heck of a time trying to find paint that would stick to these aluminum blades and work on the rest of the fan. It's beautiful. I love the color of this. It's super heavy. This is undoubtedly one of the heaviest box fans I own. Definitely the strongest guards of any box fan I have in my collection. super beefy motor bracing. I don't know why they didn't go all the way on the top in these Verncos. It's a mystery to me. It's interesting. But yeah, here you can see more of that rust. You see there is a primer coat underneath. It's kind of a not doing too well in the corner there, but overall the rest of the cabinet's pretty good. It's a really nice light turquoise color. Here you can see the emblem's a little better. These are actually aluminum, but they're painted, or not painted, but I think these are maybe anodized with a gold color. That white highlighted lettering, though, that just looks wonderful. Beautiful fan. They definitely don't make anything like this anymore. It's a shame. It's like an old boat. Yeah. That's enough looking at this thing. Let's go for a running demonstration of the thing. Let's go on high speed. Powerful on high. Drawing 3 amps. On high. Medium. .9, 1.87. Slow speed. And this is what I was talking about with these 20-inch Verncos like this. At least from my recent memory. It's a very mellow low speed. This would be a great night fan as it is, and I have used it for about I've used it for about 2 weeks as my nightly runner. Just as it is, no variac. 1.69 on low. I just love that color with this super unique cabinet shape. Just everything about it. Everything about this fan. I love it. One of my favorite box fans, just from the look alone. And just the sturdy boat-like construction, like 50s cruise liner kind of construction. Most of these that I've seen, you don't have GE motors. They have another type of motor. I'm not sure what it is. Um, to be honest, I would prefer to have one of those other motors than this GE motor. But, this one seems pretty happy, so... And, I think I've given it a pretty thorough test. It's a very good fan. There, you can see that better now. The blade's out of the way. There. Yep, that's it for my 1950s or early 1960s Kenmore automatic. Made by Vernco. See you later.